I got the carpet almost out. Trying to rip everything out. There's stains everywhere. There was a lot of trash. I've already vacuumed it. I found some like 1868 nickels and 1990 quarters. Anyhow, that side over there is real bad. It's like all smushed up. Uh, it's actually still wet. I wonder if that's oil. Um, yeah, this could have probably been cleaned out real good and set to dry, but honestly, I'm not even going to deal with it. I'm just going to rip it off, put the new one, and let it be that. The only difference between this one and the other one is the other one is a darker gray than this lighter gray. So we'll see how it fits. Yeah, bro, this is gross. So here's it laid out. I'm gonna have to cut the new carpet to match all the slots and holes or whatnot. But one thing I wanted to show y'all that's really bad. Well, actually, I can't really show y'all. I can just talk to y'all about it. The part that I told y'all, this is the passenger side. I'm just facing the other way now with it. It is wet. It was dripping with something. I'm not sure what it is, but it smells horrible. It smells horrible. So I am going to see, it's all this brown. This is cracked. I'm not sure what this wire is. It's all oil, I think. It smells fucking nasty. So I'm gonna clean this real quick before I run out of daylight. Clean it up real quick. Cut the holes. Try to get this carpet in and cut up and get it set. And try to get the seats on because I'm gonna be off to work. She needs the truck. And yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Alright guys, so it took me a while to get all the air out, but I went ahead and just replaced everything. That's the only side I was gonna replace because the old material was soaked in whatever the hell it was soaked in, and it smelled horrible. So that's the only part I actually grinded off, took off, cleaned up, and replaced. All the other ones, they don't smell, so I just laid it right on top because it's a pain and it's messy trying to get that old stuff out. So anyhow, I just got done with putting everything on and then some. The extra parts where it didn't have none is here, right behind the seats, the other side over there, the middle part here, and I've extended this part all the way up to the top. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the carpet on now. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Before I show you what I'm working on, look at this. Busted my lip. I stopped the bleeding already, but I was trying to take this dang on steering box and a bolt this big, about not even a foot, it fell down and it hit my lip, and I busted my lip with my teeth. And all because I've been trying to get this out for the last 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. I tried an air hammer. I tried hammers of different sorts. I've tried ball joint separators. I'd have tried the torch, but I don't have any right now. Any canisters, that is. So I used a 3-point jaw puller. Nothing. Well, I separated. This is the thing. I separated, before I separated this part, I separated that part right there, because I figured, you know, it's not allowing it to flex in the way that I need to when I put the 3-point jaw on there. So I got the other side loose. Then I came back over here, used the three-point jaw puller, and it worked. And I got it loose. And I was like, okay. So I started taking the bolts, 1, 2, and on the last one, I held it with my left hand. I had the impact on my right, and I'm you know, shooting it loose. And I shoot it loose. I'm supporting the box, and I'm using this socket right here. I figured it would have stayed in, but I don't know. I've just been trying to get this off. So when I took it out, it fell and it hit me. Anyways, this is what I got. Let me get my light. Oh. So I got this steering box from Redheads. That's the old one. So we are going to see. It should be the same, but I'm gonna compare them. Give me a second. Boom. This is what I got. Oh, they're flipped the wrong way. Bolt integrity bolts, not for mounting. Please return bolts and core. So I'm returning this core. So I will remove these. Matter of fact, well, let me take this off first. So let me remove these. Give me a second. And I'm not going to edit this part out, so if you want to skip over, go ahead, because I do not like editing. It's going to be one continuous video. Plus you add in the fact that each video has to be 10 minutes long at least. This is beneficial to this criteria or rule, whatever. Okay, I'm going to flip this over. So looks pretty darn similar. Everything looks like as where it needs to be. What is this? Warning: any adjustment by anyone will void the warranty. This gear has been bench tested and checked for play. There is no play in this steering gear. Noise. So we're not gonna mess with it. New threads. Bam. Just old. Right? Are they oriented the same way? Oh yeah. Just trying to look inside of it, see how it looks like. Yeah. Okay, well. And the sticker fell off. Oops. Whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna check the top here, because the top on this one just says remanufactured. I don't know if we got this, because this was my dad's truck after all. I don't know if he ever replaced this. I've already drained the lines. And I did mess with this thing on the stock one to tighten up the steering. It did help a little bit, but not entirely. So, yeah. It's kind of difficult trying to do this with one hand. Huh. Alrighty. Anyhow, let me set this aside. When I just be working on the new one. So we'll take this off. Bam, would you look at that? Ain't that pretty? Okay guys, well, that's all I wanted to share with y'all. My bad, I got the light on there. Hold on. Just everybody, it's another day. I just got the old dirty carpet, smelly carpet in here. And I got the new already installed. I still have to finish the trimming and things like that, all around. But it's on. So I'll spend a little bit of today putting the rear seats back. I'm gonna try to paint the trimming, like clean it up a bit, paint it to a slightly darker gray. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have planned for today. Oh, and another thing, the rear seat belts. They were extremely like brown, extremely brown. You couldn't see a hint of gray. I pressure washed them, let them dry, let them hang, and now they're clean. They smell good, or don't smell like anything really at all, and they got their color back. So I'll be putting these back, and yeah, we'll get to it.